Commodore Jordan Owen here. Hey, we got a bunch of amazing stuff in store for the Hound Dog Regatta, and I thought we'd give you an update. Check it out. We've been working on making the 2015 Hound Dog Regatta bigger and better because
the big dog is coming off the chain when Grand Traverse Yacht Club brings the roar back to the shore with the return of the Thunderboats to Grand Traverse Bay. Tear the buttons off your shirt and bring out the gold chains as the stars of the Offshore Powerboat Association rip up the bay at over 180 miles an hour, blasting past Suttons Bay on the way to Northport and back down again.
Brought to you by Monster Energy, Fireball, Cinnamon Whiskey, and Bud Light.
Come out Friday night for the parade of boats on M22, then Saturday night for Cowboy, America's greatest Kid Rock tribute band. Don't go to bed, cause Sunday it's 10 hot laps around. Power Island.
Then hit the Yacht Club for Champagne Trophy Sunday if you dare.
Sailing events will be held on Thursday and Friday. Kick it in, then blow it out, cause it ain't just no sailboat party with the big dogs on the bay.
yeah, probably gonna get some meat.